Hello guys, it's me, Buenavista, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today guys, before the 99 Shopee sale, I'd like to share with you my Shopee finds, yung mga nabudol ko from Shopee na I think are essential for me for my online class. And I hope o baka sa inyo din ay maging essentials din. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So, ito na nga guys, dumating na yung mga parcel natin na in-order from Shopee and we got here 3 parcels na i-unbox natin for today. So, let's begin with the white parcel. Ang laman nito guys are 4 na items na keyboard protector, USB mini fan na pwede rin gawing laptop cooler at the same time. I also got here mousepad and the laptop stand na all metallic build. And the second parcel guys, we got here shoebox organizers. So I bought 20 pieces guys and of 3 colors. I bought blue, white, and gray. So hindi lang ito guys limited as a shoe organizer. You can use all this also for your stuff, for your things in school na you wanna keep them in a safe space na hindi sila maaalikabukan, and at the same time pwede ring lagyan ng mga groceries, mga pagkain, mga gamit natin for school, yung mga files, mga folders, pwede rin dito guys na ilagay. At it's a plastic build guys na matibay and stackable siya at the same time and very space saver. So, a great buy for me talaga kasi need ko din siya to organize my shoes, of course. And here guys, next, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung pag-assemble nito. Very madali lang siya guys na i-assemble. Ito guys, yung blue one. At yan lang guys, parang box lang siya talaga pero mas matibay siya na box at hindi siya mababasa. And also, it comes with a cover. It comes with a lid na easy open lang din. That's why I really love this item. And here they are. And lastly, guys, our third parcel, I ordered desk organizer for my study table. Yan. I ordered 2. The other one is maliit and the other one is malaki. So yan, yung maliit guys, it comes in natural wood na color. Ito guys, i-assemble ko first yung maliit na desk organizer. Yan. It comes with screws and has a free screwdriver din guys. So diba, very sulit and practical kasi hindi ka na maghahanap ng screwdriver mo to assemble the desk organizer. Yan, di ba? Very cute and sleek yung design. At ito guys, yung malaking desk organizer, it comes in color beige. Mas malaki siya guys and mas marami siyang partitions. Mas malaki yung drawer niya and it has folder organizer. Di ba? Very cute and aesthetically pleasing sa eyes. Yan. Very sleek ng design. Very convenient. Space saving. So guys, is-set up natin yung study place ko, yung workspace ko in general for my online class and almost all my works na need ko dito sa table ko. Yan. Diba guys, it really fits on the table. The color, I like it so much because it's very sleek na design at tapos hindi siya ganun ka OA na mga design and color. Yung color combination, it fits well with my table and it makes my room more organized, more pleasing to look at. At yung mga gamit ko guys, syempre hindi na sila magiging makalat and also they're very more convenient na kapag naghahanap ako ng mga things ko ay they're on the reach of my hand lang, mas madali and marami siya guys na mga partitions. Yan, pwede pa ako makalagay ng mga skincare ko yung lahat ng mga gamit ko, yung mga books ko, yung mga folders ko, yung mga papers ko, the band paper, the bigger notebooks, yan, sa likod, yung green. Tapos, yung mga skincare ko, yung mga other stuff ko pa, like my Galaxy Buds, my wallet. And it comes with a drawer, guys, na pwede mong lagyan ng mga more valuable na items. And ito guys, yung maliit na desk organizer, what I like about this is that it comes with a pen holder that holds a lot of pens. And not just pens, it could also hold scissors and other school stuffs na need mo. Yan, di ba? Napaka maaliwalas tingnan, hindi makalat, hindi magulo, at very mas madali kang mahanap, madali mong mahanap yung mga gamit mo kasi hindi sila makalat at naka-organize sila. Yan, I also love organizing, guys. Share ko lang. Yan, yung mga gamit ko, finishing touches. Diba? What I love this, guys, is that from the smallest item you got to the biggest, you could stock it here, you could organize it here. Everything, including my chargers, my wallet, my skincare, my pens, my notebooks, my books, my band paper. Yan, di ba? Mainit. Touch pag may time kasi mapawis. Yan, dyan ko guys ilagay yung mga wallet ko kasi para mas nakatago sila. Yan. Kakos, ganun. Yan, yung laptop ko, yung mousepad at yung mouse ko na wireless. Dyan. Diba ang linis? Ngayon lang yan. Tapos, pag matagal na, makalat na. Lastly, ito yung microphone natin for vlogging. Dyan natin nilalagay. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. And if you really do so, please do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to tap the notification bell for you to always be updated of our new vlogs. That's it for now, guys. See you next time.